Good day! Our highly respect to our instructor, Ma'am Catherine May Handog. Today, we are going to tackle about the species found in MOLAVE forest. MOLAVE forest, most of the species found in this type of forest produce woods that are highly valued for their natural beauty and durability. Among the most important are MOLAVE, Nara, Tindalo, Ipil, Akli, and Banoyo.
Pterocarpus. Distribution. Nara is commonly found in primary and in some areas, secondary forest at low and medium altitude throughout the Philippines. It is endemic to tropical and temperate Asia and Malaysia and to the North and Southwest Pacific zones. This tree is also cultivated and naturalized in Central and South America and in some Pacific such as Guam, Hawaii, Fiji, and Samoa. Description: the Nara reaches an average height of 25 to 35 meters, with a trunk that extends up to 2 meters in diameter. Its leaves are 12 to 22 centimeter long, pinnate with 5 to 11 leaflets, and the girth is 12 meters wide. In the Philippines, Borneo, and the Malay Peninsula, the Nara blooms from February to May. Its flowers, with a panicle type of inflorescence, are 6 to 13 centimeter long, slightly fragrant, and display yellow or orange-yellow petals. Its fruit is a semi-orbicular pod that is 2 to 3 centimeter in diameter and covered by a flat wing-like structure that is 4 to 6 centimeter in diameter. It has 1 or 2 seeds and does not open at adulthood. It ripens as it reaches 4 to 6 years old and turns purple when dry. The nucleus of the pod can be smooth, bristly, or intermediate. Unlike the majority of Pterocarpus species, which choose to live in regions with seasonal climates, the Pendicus thrives in.
Good day! I am Tuain Errol M. Logroño, and today I'm going to discuss about the uses and other information of one of the species found in MOLAVE forest, which is the Nara tree. The uses: productive uses and management. The Nara is a commercial species with a number of uses, often seen as an ornamental and shade tree. It is also grown to create a borderline and windbreak around food croplands due to its nitrogen-rich leaf fall and living fences around pastures. Economic value. The Nara is acknowledged as an excellent timber in Southern Asia and is categorized as one of the most beneficial timbers in the Philippines. Its wood is used for a lot of products such as cabinetry, cartwheels, carving, construction, furniture, and musical instruments. Social benefit. It is believed to be an effective traditional Asian medicine. Malaysians use Nara to treat sores of the mouth, bladder, ailments, diarrhea, dropsy, headache, and syphilis. Javanese cover areas that suffer from boils, prickly heat, and ulcers. Filipinos make Nara extract into herbal teas and pills to treat a number of diseases and ailments, such as leprosy, menstrual pain, flu, rheumatoid arthritis, and diabetes. While Nara is used for tuberculosis, headaches, sores, and as a purgative in Papua New Guinea, it is also acts as medicine for dysentery, menorrhagia, and gonorrhea in the Solomon Islands. Environmental services. Its flowers are a significant source of nectar and or pollen for bees. Within its geographical distribution, the Nara can also stabilize the soil in these regions. Nara is one of the country's traditional symbols, and all for good reason. Its sturdiness is likened to the Filipinos' unwavering spirit. Its wood makes a durable base for a lot of furniture pieces, such as cabinets, drawers, to name a few. In its entirety, tree, tree acts as a windbreaker to protect food crops as well. Unfortunately, studies done by the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, revealed that there are only several thousand Nara left in the world.
This is the distribution of Tendalo tree, or in other term in Tagalog, what we call talisay. Tendalo is found in primary forest at low, medium altitudes, usually scattered on dry, shallow or rocky soils, at ridges and hills, along the coast of northern Luzon down to Palawan and Mindanao. Tendalo is one of the finest Philippine woods used for cabinet making and all kinds of high-grade construction. Tendalo is a tree with an average height of 25 to 30 meters and a diameter of 60 to 80 meters. Its trunk is straight, cylindrical, and has a regular bole of ranging from 12 to 15 meters in length. The crown is typically spreading to a size one of the total height of the tree. Are deciduous, shed its leaves during the dry season. The bark is about 10 millimeters in thickness and creamy yellow in color. It has an uneven surface due to the saucer-like depression caused by continuous shedding of the outer layers. Leaves are simple pinnate up to 85 centimeters long. Leaflets are usually 5 to 8 centimeters long, opposite, oblong, ovate, and sometimes elliptic. Petioles or leaf stalks are twisted. Inflorescence is in panicles, terminal and axillary, pubescent, with equal or shorter length than leaves.
Ipil or Intia by Joga distribution along the seashore and in some localities in inland forest from the Babuyan Islands and northern Luzon to Mindanao and Palawan. Also occurs in India, Burma, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, New Guinea, to Australia and the Pacific Islands. Brief description. The ipil or Itzia bajuga, also known as Moluccan ironwood, is a mangrove associate from the legume family Fabaceae. It's usually found at the drier areas of the mangrove forest or sandy beaches. The tree has pinnately compound leaves with 2 to 6 leaflets. It is deciduous or seasonal siya nga mga tagak ang dahon din regrowth na pagbalik, which explains why the ones near the Sunji Bohol mangrove boardwalk appear rather than bare sometimes. This tree can grow more than 40 meters tall. The flower occurs in dense clusters, and each flower has 4 sepals but only one petal, which starts off white in color but eventually turns to dark purple. Fruit pod oblong or pear-shaped, 8 to 23 cm by 4 to 8 cm. Pod leathery woody and tardily dehiscent, usually containing 1 to 9 seeds.
Uses. Seeds can be eaten after careful preparation. Soak in salt water for 3 to 4 days and then boiled. Bark. Bark is the outermost layers of stems and roots of woody plants, which contains tannin, a yellowish or brownish bitter-tasting organic substance present in barks and other plant tissues, and is used to treat diarrhea. Mixed with other plant extracts, used for toothache and sore tongue. Also used for scabies and headaches. Scabies is an itchy skin condition. Fruits used as laxative. A laxative is a medicine that stimulates or facilitates bowel movements. Wood, known for its hard and durable wood, used for timber, furniture making, or carving craft wood, making houses and bridges. Dye. Wood yields a khaki-colored or yellowish-brown color dye. Fresh sap makes indelible stains on paper or cloth. Threats, least concern. Other information. Climate. Grows naturally in moderately humid tropical coastal and lowland climates, generally in areas with annual lows of 19 to 25 degrees Celsius, annual highs of 27 to 35 degrees Celsius, annual rainfall of 1,500 to 3,700 millimeters, and a dry season of 5 months or less. Growing. New plants are easily grown from seed. Ipo trees or ipo trees perform best in full sun and on free, slow-draining soils, ranging from sand to clay and from slightly acid to alkaline. It has good tolerance to seasonal flooding, slow-draining or waterlogged soils, as well as salty and limestone soils. The tree is reportedly able to grow on almost bare limestone and naturally establish itself on coral lands.
Hi everyone, I'm Apple Mifamor and today I will discuss all about the ecal trees, which is one of the species of MOLAVE forest. Ecal trees has a scientific name of Albizia ecal. Ecal trees is a species of flowering plant in the family of Fabaceae. It is commonly known as ecal, or in the East Indian it is called walnut. Ecal trees is a medium-sized tree grown for its strong wood, used mainly in the construction of houses and furnitures. Some uses of ecal trees is the wood is one of the best materials for cabinet making because of its color, good grain quality, and durability. It is also used for gun stocks, carvings, sculpture, and musical instrument, as well as for interior finish, panels, and high-grade furniture. The tree is also a substitute for black walnut. It is also used for house construction, naval construction, railroad ties, high-quality furniture, seals, general construction, charcoal, and interior trim of automobiles and other vehicles. Eco trees is widely distributed in the Philippines. It is found in Albay, Bataan, Bulacan, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Capiz, Cebu, Davao, Ilocos Norte, Masbate, Mindoro Occidental, Negros Oriental, Nueva Ecija, Surigao, Tarlac, and Zambales. Ecal trees is found also in the northern Luzon to Palawan. Did you know that ecal trees grows in all climatic type of the Philippines and in several varieties of soil? It thrives in sandy to clay loam soil as well as in areas sa limestone formation. It is naturally scattered in the thin forest to dense stands from hilltops and mountain ridges to the valleys and river beds and in the forest of low and medium altitude. And that's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone and good afternoon. I am here to discuss about the Banuyo tree. Banuyo is a large landscape tree originating from the Philippines. Banuyo is commonly found on primary rainforests both inland and near the seashore, at elevations up to 850 meters in tropical forest at low and middle elevation, and distributed along the east coast from Luzon to Mindanao. So makita na ni siya sa duol baybayon, rivers or lakes ug ang iyang habitat moabot og range nga 850 meters in the tropical forest. It is a fast-growing tree and may attain heights of up to 50 meters or 165 feet in native forest, with a trunk diameter of up to 1.8 meters or 6 feet and with large buttressed roots. So paspas siya motubo nga puno og moabot og 50 meters ang iyang heights kung naa siya sa native forest gitanom. Ug ang lawas niya nay kadako og 6 feet. On open sites, it is more typically 20 to 30 meters or 65 to 98 feet tall. So ingani siya kataas kung naa siya sa city or sa streets or sa parks gitanom. Nga na siya kataas. The bark is gray-brown, smooth when young, becoming cracked and flaking with age. So, ang color sa skin is gray-brown, hamis pag gamay pa o pagtiguang na puno ng lakra. The leaves are large, drooping, and twice feathered, with each leaf divided into 3 to 5 branches and each branch with glossy green oblong leaflets arranged in pairs along the length. These remain on the tree for most of the year, punctuated by reddish new growth at the start of the rainy seasons. So dagko siya nga leaves ug mo change iyang color tuwing rainy seasons for new growth. The flowers are largest with long creamy white filaments. They are held in few flowered erect cluster arising at the sides of the branch and come into bloom in the rainy seasons. These are followed by flat straight or curved brown rib and finely haired seed pods enclosing flat oblong seeds. So dagko siya nga bulaklak with long creamy white filaments. Mubloom ra ni siya or mubuka ang iyang flowers tuwing rainy seasons og flat oblong shapes ang iyang seeds or liso. Okay, some uses of the banuyo. Banuyo is widely planted as a shade and landscape tree in coastal regions in its native range. On account of its shapely form, eye-catching feathery foliage, and tolerance to poor soils, including thin, salty, and lime soils. It produces a medium-weight wood averaging about 550 kilograms per cubic meter. With heartwood that is light golden brown to the reddish brown, lustrous and attractively figured, it is used mainly for decorative veneer and high-grade interior work, including ships' cabins, interior joinery, furniture, cabinets, musical instruments, gun stocks, and carvings. More information of banuyo. Grows naturally in humid tropical coastal to mid-elevation climates, generally frost-free areas with annual lows of 19 to 25 Celsius, annual highs of 27 to 35 Celsius, annual rainfall of 1,200 to 3,500 mm, and a dry season of 5 months or less. New plants are usually started from seed sown in a free draining potting mix. Seedlings need shades and regular watering for about 5 to 6 months or until they are around 40 to 50 centimeter or 1.3 to 1.6 feet tall. Banuyo is a species of flowering plant in the Fabaceae family and has a scientific name of Wallaceo celibicum. That's all. Thank you.
These are the Group 4 members: Twine Ere Logroño, yours truly, Jovelyn Paler, Denmark Melia, Kyle Andrew Ancheta, Ralph Patrick Katingog, Ralph Lawrence Ranorio, Hannah Faye Villancio, and Apple May for more. This is the end of our video, and I hope everyone knows and understands its distribution, brief description, uses, threats, and the other information of the most species found in MOLAVE forest. That would be all. Thank you and God bless.